Intrigued by the next frontier in fashion technology? From digital fashion to the future of AI trends, join us on this exciting journey as we bridge the gap between technology and style. Find out. Welcome to the 360 Fashion Podcast, where you'll get the week's top most important news items in the realm of fashion and technology. I'm Anya, your host from 360 Fashion Network. I read hundreds of news items from fashion, augmented reality, virtual reality, wearables, robotics, textile innovation, and futurism every day. I choose the most critical items to summarize for you, saving you time so you can focus on your business. Listen and subscribe to receive this roundup regularly. Now let's jump right into it. First, turn PET bottles into 3D printer filament. Innovators turned to discarded PET bottles into functional 3D printer filament, repurposing waste with precision recyclers. Machines soften plastic strips rather than melting them, creating cylindrical filament ready for high-performance use. Engineers refined the design by 3D printing components, integrating motors, adjustable reels, and a controller for smooth operation. This process spotlighted sustainable material production methods, opening doors to eco-conscious textile innovation in fashion. News source: Instructables. Vogue, inventing the runway at Lightroom. Vogue collaborated with Lightroom to launch an immersive exhibition that explored the evolution of fashion runway shows from early couture salons to modern pop culture spectacles. The exhibition leveraged Vogue's archives, original animations, and 360-degree projection technology to offer audiences an unprecedented way to experience designers' visions up close. Soundscapes fused classical and pop music to enhance storytelling, while thematic chapters showcased how iconic runway moments reshaped cultural landscapes through decades. By blending fashion, technology, and art, the exhibit showcased the runway as more than a display. It became a convergence of innovation and identity that continues to redefine the fashion experience globally. News source: King's Cross. With VR, neurodiverse students can practice skills on demand. Schools across the U.S. implemented VR tools to provide immersive learning experiences on various topics, enhancing students' understanding of complex subjects. In East Harlem and the Bronx, VR technology was applied to assist neurodiverse students, specifically those with autism, allowing them to rehearse social interactions and emotional regulation in a controlled virtual environment. Special educators utilized a diverse library of VR scenarios to tailor experiences according to individual learning needs, offering real-time feedback through connected devices. In the fashion industry, similar VR technology could enable designers and brands to create unique, personalized shopping experiences for customers, simulate fashion shows, or provide training for employees on soft skills and client interactions, effectively bridging technology with customer engagement. News source: GovTech. Manolo Blahnik X-Dressed, luxury meets gaming. Manolo Blahnik embraced the gaming universe to attract the Gen Z demographic, blending luxury footwear with interactive digital landscapes. The brand's gaming partnership offered a novel approach to storytelling and product engagement, breaking free from traditional advertising methods. This virtual endeavor capitalized on the gaming industry's massive reach, providing a playground for young consumers to connect with the brand in a dynamic way. In the fashion realm, such gaming collaborations represent a trend where virtual experiences become key touchpoints, bridging the gap between entertainment and luxury brand immersion. News source: Glossy. Undoxxed Volumen 2 drops, blending fashion, culture, and Web3+. Tenka joins the phygital revolution. The Undoxxed NFT book connected a physical hardcover coffee table book with blockchain technology, merging collectibles with Web3 culture. An NFC chip embedded in the back cover created a phygital experience, making ownership interactive while bridging digital and physical worlds. By curating innovators across Web3, including digital fashion, AR, and 3D printing, it showcased creative pioneers redefining cultural boundaries. In fashion, this approach highlighted the growing synergy between phygital products, NFTs, and wearable tech as brands fuse tech with storytelling to shape future consumer experiences. News source: Undoxxed Book. Here are the week's top news. If you want to get more fashion tech news items of the week, check out our new podcast, 360 Fashion, or go to 360fashion.net/podcast or search for it on your favorite podcast platform. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss our latest episode. Let's get connected for our latest news and updates. Follow us on social media.